A slight change in the sound would turn its meaning from positive to negative. Listen to these word pairs that differ only in the sounds.
O
And.
N.
Want more of these videos? Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to help this channel grow. In this video, you are going to hear words that sound the same except for the
O
or
N.
After a pair of these words, a random one from that pair is played again.
O.
Do you know which one was that? At the end of this video, you will hear 5 sentences. Each sentence contains a word from the pairs you heard in this video. Check whether you get that right too. Let, net, net, lame, name, name, lay, nay, lay, life, knife, life, light, night, light, line, 9, 9, lice, nice, nice, lap, nap, nap, lip, nip, lip, lick, nick, nick, lit, knit, knit, lee, knee, knee, lead, need, need, low, no, low, low, no, no, lot, not, not, lot, not, lot, lock, knock, knock, locker, knocker, knocker, witless, witness, witless. I need more lives. He likes shopping at the light market. The HR is providing a training to the line managers. It's okay to lead someone to do something. The factory stops working due to no supply of raw materials. Do you know someone likely to mix these two sounds in their daily talk? Leave a comment below if you know someone that does. Check out another video of minimal pairs. See you there.